The demand for online education is expanding. Teaching online can lead to inspiring opportunities. Educational technology has quickly changed, allowing online programs to improve and provide the necessary strategies and tools to make the experience as simple and interactive as possible. Having the right tools for online education might help you reduce your workload and focus more on developing your content. Allow me to provide an incredible offer on a solution that allows you to develop your own personalized teaching website with all the necessary features and monetize your knowledge and expertise. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Getting familiar with tools and platform to be used is one of the greatest methods to ensure you are maximizing the benefits of online learning. One of the tools that can really help you build your online teaching site is Uteach. Uteach is an all-in-one platform for quickly developing your own customized teaching website with all necessary features and profiting from your knowledge and skills. With Uteach, you can create and market courses as well as use predefined templates to create a unique website. With just a few clicks, you can easily begin creating new courses on Uteach's user-friendly platform. Fill your courses with a variety of information, including text produced on your branded website, YouTube links, videos, and documents. By establishing live courses and webinars, you can automate every stage of the process, from scheduling classes to recording attendance and providing homework. You can either upload a recorded lesson for students to watch later or teach your live course using any video conferencing software such as Zoom, InSpace, and Jitsi. With simple-to-design tests that you can attach to the conclusion of a course or section, Uteach makes it simple to gauge student progress. Create tests with multiple choice questions that are automatically graded or offer short and long answers for manual review. You may decide whether people see the complete quiz or just a particular question. Plus, fully personalized website templates provided by Uteach with text, graphics, buttons, and links to reflect your branding. Sell online courses with a platform that includes all of the capabilities needed to organize and automate online training. Uteach's lifetime deal starts at only $99. You can save as much as $1,000. What are you waiting for? Begin your teaching business, monetize your passion, and support others in learning. If you like what you hear about Uteach, check out the link below for more details and get lifetime access today at a very affordable price. Take a look at our current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. Click the like button and subscribe to receive our latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.